Okay, let's go through the ballistic curl, short and sharp. I do have another video for a longer drill session to build you up to it, but just as a reference and reminder, the ballistic curl starts in a crossbody position, bicep curl to beneath the chin, and as you do, you enter a prayer position with your hands. The momentum takes the weight over the other side and down. So that'll be curl, prayer, and down, curl, chin, down, and we can experiment with the speed of that and just keep going. And it's a great exercise because it gets used so often in transitions between flows. You can archer, ballistic curl, archer out the other side, things like that. Learn that because it's super effective for transitions, and I'll see you soon.